In this video, we're going to be talking about putting numbers in order from least to greatest. And I did a couple of videos of this previously, but what makes these ones interesting is that the tens are all the same number. So remember in the other video I did, like this one, where I talked about the tens and the ones. So if you look at a number like 23, this is the tens digit, and this is the ones digit. So when you look at numbers like these, 23, 24, 27, and 20, all of them have in common that their first digit is a 2. So that doesn't really help you to find out which one is the least and which one is the greatest. So you would have to look at the ones digit next. So you would have to look at the ones digit for all of these numbers to figure out which one is the smallest and which one is the greatest. So you take a look at the number line here, and in my previous video I explained that you look at the numbers uh, going this way, the pink arrow, as getting bigger, and the numbers going this way, the yellow arrow, getting smaller. So we know that the 3, the 4, the 7, and the 0 are on this number line, right? So let me circle them. So here's the 0, here's the 3, here's the 4, and here's the 7. So then it becomes simple. We know the smallest number is 0, so we know 20 is going to be the least. So we could put those in order now. So we can write them in order from least to greatest. So 20 would go first, and then the next number on the line is 3, so 23 comes next, and the next number on the line is 4, so we know the next one is 24, and then the next one on the line is 7, so we know 27 is the greatest number, so it will be last. So don't worry if you don't pick this up right away. You could just rewind it and listen to it again. And you could watch the previous video that talks about tens and ones, and then it'll be even clearer after that.